Well, as far as chillers are concerned, the story begins somewhere in 1985 when the first hole or the ozone depletion is found in the ozone stratospheric layer. And at that time it was investigated why this happened. So the main cause found at that time was the refrigerants used with chiller or the air conditioning equipment. Mostly the most harmful was, if I remember correctly, R11 and CFCs, and then HCFCs. At that point, it was committees were formed by the engineers and the research associations to rectify or found alternates for that harmful chemicals. The most harmful effect of the chemicals using in the chiller are the ozone depletion potential and global warming, GWP. So today we have so many other alternates available, but again it is a matter of price and researching to find some new ones. But today the situation is quite in better shape, and that is why we are gathered here to discuss our past experiences, what we have done, and to discuss the road plan for the future.
Do you think that these climate-friendly chillers are energy efficient also?
Yes, of course, because you see engineers and the societies like ASHRAE or the UNICEF program are working in different directions also. It's parallel, we are working 3 or 4 programs. For example, one is the climate-friendly chillers or the climate-friendly solutions. The other is the net zero buildings. Net zero buildings is a very interesting phenomena that ASHRAE is researching on for commercial buildings, where they are trying to achieve a system in which a buildings become sustainable, means consuming lesser energies and producing their own energies for themselves. For example, they will use the wind energy, they can use the geothermal energy, they can use solar energy and that kind of things. And the other thing is the green building is also, green building movement is very common and you are quite familiar with that. In green buildings, we are always trying to achieve environmental friendly and buildings with sustainability. And the third one is where is the efficient chillers or the environment efficient chillers.